Today in this video we are going to study few more questions from exercise 10.2, that is circle chapter. We will see the remaining questions. We did the question up to question number 8 in the previous video. So we will start with the question number 9. Question number 9. In figure 10.13, x, y and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. X, y and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. Tangents as well as parallel. To a circle with a center O and another tangent AB. Another tangent AB, it is also touching the circle. Another tangent AB with a point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. AB is touching xy at A, x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB 90, AOB 90 degree. This angle 90 we have to prove. So what is the given thing? XY, x dash y dash and AB, three tangents. XY parallel to x dash y dash, two tangents are parallel given and three tangents total. To prove, what is to prove? Angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Construction. Join, draw OC. OC we have to join. PQ is already given. PQ. OP, OQ, OC. If OP, OQ is already, in this question it is written OP and OQ already drawn. Otherwise, if it is not there, that is also coming under construction. Join OC, OP and OQ. Usually, it will not be given in the figure, that line PQ. So, that we have to draw. If it is already there, okay, we are not mentioning again. So here what is construction is join OC. Now the proof. We will consider two triangles, that is OPA and OCA. This triangle and this triangle, OPA and OCA. We can easily prove that they are congruent because already we did in many places. In many questions, in triangle OPA and triangle OCA. OP equal to OC, radii of same circle. Radii of same circle, OP equal to OC. PA equal to CA. Why? PA equal to CA, length of the tangents. Length of tangents. Theorem. Length of tangents are drawn from an external point. Length of tangents are drawn from an external point to circle are equal. Then we have OA equal to OA. Common, therefore triangle OPA congruent to triangle OCA. Which theorem? SSS theorem. Already we did in many questions. OPA, OCA. OP equal to OC. Radii of same circle. PA equal to CA. Yeah, AP equal to AC. Then OC, OA equal to OA common. Otherwise we can think about RHS theorem by naming it as OP angle 1, OC angle 2. RHS theorem also we can do, both are perfect, no problem. Since these two triangles are congruent, we can say angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why angle 1? CPCTE. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2 CP CTE. Similarly, Angle 3 equal to angle 4. 3 and 4 are also equal. As these two triangles are congruent, this also will be congruent. As it is a CPCT, this also CPCT 3 equal to 4. Now forget about all these things. Go to the given condition x, y parallel to x dash, y dash. Lines are parallel given. Therefore, angle PAB equal to PAB plus angle QBA equal to 180 degree. Reason, coincident angles, lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel, therefore this plus this 180. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Angle PAB plus QAB, A plus B, but we cannot say A, so PAB and QBC, QBA, this angle. Now I will write a half angle PAB plus half angle QBA equal to 180 by 290. Simply half is taken. Now half PAB can be written as half of PAB, this angle half can be written as angle 2 plus half of QBA, this half can be written as angle 3 equal to 90 degree. Reason, using using 5 and 6. Using 5 and 6, 5 says that 1 and 2 are equal. So half of total means one of the piece, any of the piece. Half of this full means either 1 or 2. We are taking 2 here, and here we are taking 3. Why 2 and 3 are selected? Rejecting 1 and taking 2, rejecting 4 and taking half means 3 is taken, because we will get a triangle AOB. Consider a triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. So 2 plus 3 is already proved as 90. 90 plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree. 2 plus 3, 180 degree. Now 2 plus 3 is already proved as 90. 90 plus AOB equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOB equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. This is our proof. Here we will write reason why 90 using 10. Using 10 we are able to write 90. 90 plus AOB 180. So AOB is 180 minus 90. I hope it is clear. First proving that 1 and 2 are equal. Similarly 3 and 4 are equal. Now total plus total equal 180. Total half of plus half equal to 90. Half means 2 and half means 3. So 2 plus 3 90. Now in this triangle 2 plus 3 plus AOB equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. So getting it as 90 degree. Very important to prove the question. Now we will do question number 10. Prove that angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact to the center. Prove that angle between two tangents from an external point. Two tangents PA and PB as usual, center O. Prove that angle between the tangent, that means this angle, is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining point of contact. Point of contact A and B, line segment joining point of contact means AB. Angle subtended by the line segment joining A and B means this angle AOB. Line joining point of contact is AB. AB. AB is subtending an angle at the center. This angle subtended by line segment joining A and B, that means AB, angle subtended by AB at the center, and this angle is 180. That is what we have to prove. Very simple thing, because already we know that this angle is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. Angle 190, angle 290 degree. And it is a quadrilateral. We know that it is a quadrilateral. So simple. Given. In the circle with the center O, PA and PB are two tangents. P and PB are two tangents. To prove angle P plus angle O equal to angle P, we can say one letter is enough. Angle P plus angle O equal to 180 degree. Angle between the tangent, this angle subtended by the line segment joining A and B. Point of contact is A and B, the line segment is AB, AB is making here. To prove, then proof very simple. We will say angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to 90 degree in reason tangent and radius at the point of contact are perpendicular. In quadrilateral OAPB, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle O plus angle P equal to 360 degree in reason angles of property quadrilateral. One plus 2 already wrote us 90. 90 plus angle O plus angle P equal to 360 degree using 1. That is angle O plus angle P equal to 360 minus 90 plus 90. Both are 90. So 90 plus angle 190, angle 2 also 90. So 360 minus 180 degree, that is angle O plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. This is what we have to prove. Hope it is clear. Very simple thing. For one more questions we did this type of question, isn't it? 190, one more 90. So this full 90, this full 90, then P plus O is going to be 180 degree. Next question number 11. Prove that a parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Parallelogram circumscribing a circle. If it is ordinary parallelogram means circle cannot fit here inside because this side, rectangle also not possible. Rectangle also touching here, this one not possible. But if it is a rhombus, it is possible. Rhombus means possible, fitting properly, isn't it? Square also possible. All the sides are equal, so we can draw circle. This one not possible because length is more. So our question is about this one. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Parallelogram is going to be a rhombus. It cannot be ordinary parallelogram. Ordinary parallelogram, this side touching, this side touching, this side touching, but this side cannot touch, because if it is touching, it is becoming rhombus now. This side is small. If you are bringing it here, it is becoming a rhombus and it is touching. A, B, C, D is a, what is given? Parallelogram. A, B, C, D, a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. ABCD is a parallelogram which is circumscribing a circle. To prove. What is to prove? ABCD is a rhombus. Proof. First we will say ABCD is a parallelogram. Given thing ABCD, a parallelogram already given. Then we will say point of contact we will take PQRS. Tangents AP equal to AS, BP equal to BQ, CR equal to CQ, DR equal to DS. Reason length of the tangents. Length of tangents drawn from an extended point to a circle are equal in the theorem. Now what we can do? Simply do addition. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS by adding 2, 3, 4 and 5. AP plus BP. AP plus BP is going to be AB. CR plus DR. CR plus DR is going to be CD. So bringing it together, that means AB plus CD equal to AS plus DS will go, and these two will go. So bringing it together, AS plus DS kept together plus BQ plus CQ keeping together. Now for this what we can write reason? AP plus BP is same as AB. AP plus BP is AB. CR plus DR is CD. Now we are again combining these two things which are kept together. AS plus DS. AS plus DS is AD plus BQ plus CQ is BC. AS plus DS equal to AD. BQ plus CQ is BC. So these two together, this one. Okay, now what we can write? AB plus CD can be written as AB plus AB. Why? AD plus BC can be written as AD plus AD. Opposite sides of parallelogram. ABCD is already a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So we can say AB equal to CD, AD equal to BC. Reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram. So AB and CD are equal. So I am writing AB plus AB. That means 2AB plus 2AB equal to 2AD. 2 cancelled. AB equal to AB equal to AD. This is already a parallelogram. ABCD is already a parallelogram, and ABAD means adjacent side. So parallelograms adjacent side equal means is becoming a rhombus. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Reason is using 1 and 11. 1 says that it is a parallelogram, and 12 says that it is a 11 says that adjacent sides are equal. So parallelograms adjacent side equal means becoming a rhombus. I hope it is clear. Now we have question number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm. One circle is given. Then we have a triangle. Triangle ABC. Point of contact D. Center O. Six and 8 also given. A triangle ABC drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter, such that the segments BD and CD in which BC is divided BD and CD. BD is 8, CD is 6. By a point of contact D are 8 and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the side AB and AC. We have to find AC also, AB also. It is not to prove that question, so no need of writing given to prove and all. But we have to do some constructions and all. Since it is point of contact is D, same way here point of contact. With the point of contact we can join D, E, F 90 degree. This also 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. All these are 90, 90, 90, 90. Center O. Draw. OD is already there. OE perpendicular to. Draw OE and OF. Automatically it will be perpendicular if you are joining with the point of contact E. Okay. So draw OE and OF. Then draw OA, OB and OC, that also towards corner. O to A, OB, OC, OA, OB, OC, OA, OB, OC. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 3 equal to 90 degree. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, all these are perpendicular. Reason is tangent and radius at the point of contact. Tangent and radius at the point of contact are perpendicular. Okay. One more thing to write, that is CD is a 6, so this CF is also 6. CF equal to CD equal to 6. If it is 8, this is also 8 length of the tangents. BD and BE equal. BE is same as BD equal to 8 centimeter. These two are going to be X. AE equal to AF, both are equal, so we are taking it as X. Say it as X. For all these reasons is length of tangents. So all these are 6, 6, 8, 8, 6 and 6, 8 and 8, X and X. Okay, now what we will do is, we will find the area of triangle ABC in two styles. Using two methods we can find the area of triangle. First we will think about the Heron's formula. Triangle ABC heading. Triangle ABC. Area of triangle, Heron's formula, area of triangle equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Side 6 plus 8, one side 14. Another side 8 plus x. Another side 6 plus x upon 2. A plus b plus c. One side plus another side 28 plus 2x. 28 plus 2x upon 2. Since 2 is common, 14 plus x upon 2. 2 cancelled, that is becoming 14 plus x. Yes, sir. Find s minus a. What is s minus a? S is 14 plus x minus a. A is one of the side, that is 14. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 cancelled, x. What about s minus b? S minus b means 14 plus x minus b. b 8 plus x. 14 plus x minus 8 minus x. X and minus x cancelled. 14 minus 8, 6. S minus c is equal to 14 plus x minus another 1, that is the third side, that is 6 plus x. 14 plus x minus cancelled, 8. So we can say area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now the work is easy because s minus a, s minus b, etc. is already calculated separately. Since these are not numbers, 8 plus x, 6 plus x, etc. So we calculated s minus a, s minus b, s minus c separately. So now it is easy. We can simply substitute. S is 14 plus x into s minus a. S minus a is x only. S minus b, that is 6 into 8. 6 into 8, 48. Square root of, inside the square root of 48 x, 6 into 8, 48, 48 into x into 14 plus x. This is area of triangle. We can name it as 1. Now we can find this area of triangle ABC in another way, that is, consider this as one part AOC, then BOC as another part how BH, AOB another one how BH, because it is base. If it is base, then it is height. AC base, OF height. So like that also we can calculate area. All the three things are together. Find individually and then do. Area of triangle AOC is equal to half BH. That is half into base is AC into height is OF. Half into AC is 6 plus x into OF is 4, because it is 4 all the side radius. OD, OE, OF, everything is 4. So cutting is possible. Opening the bracket, 2 into 6 at 12 plus 2 into x at 2x. Opening the bracket. Now the second part, that is area of triangle BOC. Half BH, half into base BC into height OD, that is half into BC, 6 plus 8, 14 into height 4, that is again 2 into 14, 28. Area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB equal to, area of triangle AOB equal to half BH, that is half into base 8 plus x into height 4. Cutting is possible. Opening the bracket, 2 into 8, 16 plus 2x. So we have all the three pieces: area of AOC, area of BOC, area of AOB. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of AOC plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOB, that is 12 plus 2x plus 28 plus 16 plus 2x. 12, 28, 16. 56 plus 4x. 2x, 4x. This is also area of triangle. First we got area of triangle. This is also area of triangle. So we can equate it from 1 and 2. We can say square root of 48x into 14 plus x equal to 56 plus 4x from 1 and 2. Now when we are observing, we can see that 4 is common here, and that 4 can come from here also. Here also 4 is there, here also 4 is there. So take it outside, 4 into 16 plus 14 plus x here. So here 48 can be written as 16 into 3, and 16 will go outside as a 4. Are you understanding? 48 means 16 into 3 into x into 14 plus x. Okay, 16 3s are 48. If we don't know, then we will do prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 will go outside. So from here 4 is going outside. 4 into inside the root 3x into 14 plus x equal to 4 into 14 plus x. Now we can do cutting. 4 and 4 cancelled. Now we can do squaring. Both sides, squaring both sides. By squaring both sides, root will go here. Left side of root is gone. 3x into 14 plus x equal to, here squaring 14 plus x all square. Again cutting. 14 plus x cancelled. 14 plus x 1 square cancelled. So 3x equal to 14 plus x. Yeah, 3x minus x, 2x equal to 14. 2x equal to 14. X equal to 7. X 7 means we can find AC. AC is equal to, AC means 6 plus x, that is 6 plus 7, 13 centimeter, and AB is 8 plus x, that is 8 plus 7, 15 centimeter. So most important work is this cancellation. From 1 and 2, if you are equating, if you are doing the squaring here, it will be very difficult. 156 square, 2 into 56 into 4, etc. So since 4 is there outside, here also 4 is there. 4 can go. 16 into 3, 16 will go outside the square root. So before taking the square, take the common. So things are becoming easy. And then what is coming as inside the bracket, remaining thing, that is 14 plus x, again getting cancelled. So 2 times cancellation. So the work is becoming very simple. Hope it is clear. Now we have one more question, that is question number 13. Last question. Question number 13. Next question. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. So what is given? ABCD is a quadrilateral which circumscribes a circle with a center O. Subtend, opposite sides subtend supplementary angles at the center. So we have to join this also with the center. It is not a single line, okay? Remember, these are different lines. Different lines. Now join this point of contact also. P, Q, R, S. Given A, B, C, D, A quadrilateral which circumscribes a circle with the center O. Point of contacts are PQRS and the point of contacts are P, Q, R and S point of contacts also. To prove. What is to prove? Question is, prove that angles subtended by opposite sides are. That means this AB and CD. Prove that AB is making angle here, this angle and this angle 180 degree. Angle AOB plus AOB is angle subtended by AB. And angle subtended by CD is angle COD equal to 180. Supplementary way to prove. This angle plus this angle 180 degree. Proof is simple only. As we did in many cases, here also we will take these two triangles. Radii of same circle, common, not common, and length of the tangents equal, and here it is common. This is common. In triangle AOS and triangle AOP, AO equal to AO common, AS equal to AP length of the tangents, length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal, OS equal to OP radii of same circle. Therefore, triangle AOS congruent to triangle AOP. Which theorem? SSS theorem. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2. CP, CTE. Similarly, angle 3 equal to angle 4, angle 5 equal to angle 6, angle 7 equal to angle 8. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, angle 5 equal to angle 6, angle 7 equal to angle 8. Because these two triangles can be congruent exactly same as this one, so 3 and 4 equal. These two are congruent to 5 equal to 6. These two are congruent to 7 and 8 equal. Now we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus everything together equal to 360y. What is the reason? 360 degree. Complete angle. Complete angle we say. Otherwise we can say sum of all angles around a point. Complete angle is best. Now what we can write? 1 and 2 are same. So I will say angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 and 4 are same. Angle 3 plus angle 3 plus 5 and 6 is same. Angle 6 plus angle 6 plus 7 and 8 are equal. Angle 7 plus angle 7 equal to 360. For this, what is the reason? Using 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Using all these 1 and 2 are same. 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 which is taken, 2 is selected. 3 and 4, 3 selected. 5 and 6, 6 is selected. 7 and 8, 7 selected. What is the reason? 2 we need from AOB means I need 2 and 3. COD means I need 6 and 7. So clubbing these two together now 2 times all these. Double of angle 2. 2 times angle 2 plus 2 times angle 3. So everything 2. Double of 2, double of 3, double of 6, double of angle 7. 180 now. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 can be combined. 6 plus 7 can be combined. 2 plus 3 together angle AOB. 6 plus 7 together we can say angle COD equal to 180 degree. This much only. Very simple. Very simple because this congruency already we did so many times. AO common, OS equal to OP radii, AS equal to AP length of the tangent, so they are congruent, therefore 1 equal to 2. Similarly, 3 equal to 4, 5 equal to 6, 7 equal to 8. Everything together 360 degree complete angle. Now select the angle what we need. I need 2 and 3. So instead of saying 1 plus 2, I will say 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7. That means everything double. 2 outside getting cancelled. 2 plus 3 combined together AOB. 6 plus 7 combined as 7 OD. I hope COD. I hope the things are clear. So with this we finish our circle chapter. It is a very important chapter. Only few questions are there. Therefore each and every question is becoming very, very important one. Every question from NCERT book you have to study very, very thoroughly. Okay.